It's SEMA 2025 and we're over here in the Silver Sport booth with Bob, checking out this awesome transmission kit that they brought with them. So Bob, just get right into it. Tell us what this is all about.
So this is our EasyFit kit. So this is for that customer, that builder that's going into, let's say I got a Gen 1 Camaro, I got a 4-speed. I want all of the benefits of a 5-speed. So I want the lower R's, the better fuel economy, everything that comes with a 5-speed, but I don't want to tear up my car. So it's a nice compact design, so it fits up in the tunnel real well into just about every application. This will ship to 7,000 RPM with no problems whatsoever. Good up to about 600 horsepower. Street car, you can take it beyond that with no problem. Shock is what kills the transmission. If you're gonna race it, 600 is about the limit. The kit is kind of cool because it's not just the car, but it's everything about the car. So like, let's use that Camaro for an example. It's not just a 68 Camaro, but do you have a bench seat? Do you have a bucket seat? Do you have a center console? All of that matters when you pick the kit because we're gonna get this shifter in the exact location that the original shifter was in.
Man, that is so awesome because, you know, if you haven't drove a kind of what we all refer to as a resto mod, you know, an older car with a modern transmission, even a modern engine, having overdrive is awesome.
You know, it makes it so much different to drive because, especially you get on the freeway, it is a blast. It also makes it a whole lot of fun when you go to the gas station because you don't have to be there as often. The other really cool thing about the kit is it's going to give you all the other base components to put it in. So you're not trying to like hodgepodge a bunch of stuff together. So you're gonna get the cross member exactly for that application. You're gonna get your mount. You're gonna get your reverse light harness. You're gonna get your yoke. Everything that you need to put this in and then build the rest of the package around it.
Man, that is awesome. And that's what I love about you guys is you're shoving it all in one box. You know, I don't have to run around town getting a bunch of different stuff. And you guys have several applications of this, correct? Not just say Camaro?
So Summit carries about 15 different applications. So from, you know, all different generations of Camaros to Corvettes to Mopars to, we even have Mustang kits for Fox bodies. So we can get that, you know, weaker transmission out of there, that weaker 5-speed, and put a great newer 5-speed into it.
Yeah, because the TKX, this is kind of the bread and butter of the manual game right now. There's a lot of other older options out there, but why wouldn't you want something that was made very, very recently? I've drove a couple of cars with these in them so far, and Tremec really knocked it out of the park with these.
You know, the TKO was a nice box, but the TKX is a great box. It shifts nice, it fits well. It does everything it was supposed to do. It holds more power. There are a couple of things that are a little bit different. So like if you're changing from a Muncie or something like that, it does have a 26 spline input shaft. So you might have to change out your clutch. But if we're in there, why not do it anyway? If we're building it, just build it based off of that. It has both the electronic and mechanical speedo. Really a nice piece.
Yeah, super cool. So Bob, what's the availability on these right now?
So you guys, the kits that you guys show on the website, you have in stock. If for some reason they're not in stock, we drop ship within 24 hours. No problem whatsoever getting these things. So if you're ready to go, we're ready to go.
So head over to summitracing.com right now to pick yourself up one of these awesome swap kits from Silver Sport to bring your hot rod into the 21st century. Thanks for taking the time to talk to us about this, Bob. This is super cool. And you know, guys, I'm Justin with Summit Racing. We have Bob here, and we'll see you guys later.